During the Secret to Self-Healing Retreat, we focus on our ancient energy principle, water up, fire down. This principle lives not only in the human body, but it exists in nature. The sun's energy, heat energy, comes down. As it comes down, it lifts and rises up the water energy, creating life, flowers, trees, this kind of thing. This kind of energy circulation lives inside of the physical body, human body. Through various principles, postures, and breathing, we are going to learn how to circulate this kind of energy to create an overall healthy physical, emotional, and mental body. Some of the benefits of the Secret to Self-Healing Retreat is regulating the nervous system, correcting the digestive system, and creating mental clarity. An easy way to understand this energy principle is happy cow, C-O-W. Cool head, open heart, warm abdomen. By having a cool head, we have less busy thinking, less thoughts. By having an open heart, we have matured our emotions, so it's easier for us to make decisions. By having a warm abdomen, we have true, healthy immunity. One of the highlights of the Secret to Self-Healing Retreat is our life particle meditation. During our life particle meditation, we really bring up a certain achievement or a dream or a goal that we wish to bring into our reality. As a collective together, we all send energy. By sending energy, we're sending prayers. We are sending support, allowing each individual to know that they're not alone on this journey and to feel that sense of ownership and responsibility.